Family and friends. The Flintstones is a popular cartoon show with some great characters. They live in Bedrock, a Stone Age town. They wear animal skins for clothes. They haven't got machines to do the housework, but they've got animals. Let's meet the Flintstone family and their friends, the Rubbles. The Flintstones. Fred Flintstone is tall and he has got dark hair. He is noisy and funny, and he likes eating. He has got a car with stone wheels. The car hasn't got an engine, so he uses his feet to move it. Fred is very good at bowling, and he likes golf too. He can also play billiards. Wilma Flintstone has got red hair, and she is very modern. She is usually quite serious. She often gets angry with Fred because he is a bit lazy. Wilma likes housework. She cleans the house with an elephant vacuum cleaner, and the washing machine is a pelican. Her mother, Pearl Slag Hoople, doesn't like Fred at all. Pebbles Flintstone is their daughter. She has got red hair and she is very cute. Pebbles is very clever. She's got a pet dinosaur, Dino, who barks like a dog. The Rubbles. Barney Rubble is Fred's next-door neighbour and best friend. He is short and he has got fair hair. He is quiet and a bit silly. He can play the piano and the drums. Betty Rubble is Wilma's best friend. She is polite and calm. Betty likes helping people. She also likes spending money, and she often goes shopping with Wilma. Bam Bam is the Rubble's son. He has got fair hair and he always carries a big club. He helps around the house. He is small, but he is very, very strong. His best friend is Pebbles. Together, they play games with Hoppy, Bam Bam's pet hopperoo, a half dinosaur, half kangaroo. Which is your favourite Flintstone character? What other cartoons do you like?